Here we go. Starting the day out. I got everything chained up. I did 2 more chains there. I did a chain across the back. Even though these chains shouldn't move. The chain across the back, chain across here. I didn't do one across the bucket. I probably have to put this trailer back in the shop, man. It's not airing up the last tandem, so and there's something missing, something. Matter of fact, let me check one thing. I'll be right back. Making a delivery, y'all. Finally got my butt up here. Now I gotta go 90 miles to pick up my next load. Out of here. I think it's locked. What it is, YouTube? This is your boy, Life of Rod Copeland, back with another video. We are here in Acme, Pennsylvania. I supposed to got loaded last night. The guy didn't want to load me yesterday, so he told me to come back first thing in the morning. So I'm here. If y'all new to the channel, like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. We're gonna drop some more videos here soon. All right, we done broke it down. We already separated. So now I'm fit get this thing straight. Finna get the excavator. It's a heavier excavator than normal. Normally I pick up one that's 50,000 pounds. This one's 81,000 pounds. So we already up to the next level with heavy. Let's see, he might want me to drive it on. We'll see soon. Yep, that's what it looks like.
I'm not allowed to load it on your trailer.
Okay. So, all right, y'all, I'll be right back. Let me get this set up. Put it on. I appreciate it. But anyway, y'all, let me stop this and help him get on. And then I'll... All right, y'all, I'm finna start chaining it down. We got it wrong. It's a bigger boy. It's a biggin'. I know that don't look like much, but it's gonna hold. That's all that matters. Do the other side. That's that. I'll come back to y'all when I get my other setups ready. All right, y'all, this is the finished product. We heading up here to head out. I got 2 binders on this one axle, 2 on that axle. Got my flags. Same thing here, 2 here. Cross, cross. One to hold the boom down. This is still trying to level out, even though I think it's overfilling. I think that cross member, yeah, it's definitely overfilling.
Ready to roll?
Yes, sir. I'm finna
I got one ready to come back in here, so whenever you're ready.
Okay, I'm finna pull out right now. So we got that there. That's off the ground. We're gonna pull to lift axle. We're not lifting the axle this time. Dumped. Are we dumped? Oh, no, we not dumped. Alright, so y'all can see the tires all the way up. We're raising it back up. Beacons on. Alright, bro, be easy now. Stay safe. Alright, y'all. We out of here. See y'all in a few minutes. What's good, y'all? Back to y'all right now. Just got a call, man. My grandma died today. So I'll pray for your boy. Probably gonna deliver the load in Texas. And then I'll probably find a load going back to the crib. But yeah. Knowing my uncle or my mama, they probably try to bury on Tuesday. Nah, they probably wait till weekend. But yeah, man. y'all pray for your boy. But anyway, thank y'all for watching. Appreciate it. Alright, y'all, here we go. We're downtown Louisville, passing the stadium. Louisville. I need my boys, the Florida State Seminoles, to whoop on these guys today. Florida State Seminoles supposed to whoop up on these guys today. I need a dub. Here's their stadium right here. Louisville. Here's stadium actually look pretty nice though, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna hold y'all. Look at that stadium. I ain't gonna hold y'all. Look at that stadium, bro. It's kind of dirty on that window over there, but that stadium look like just as big as the Buccaneers stadium, bro. Sheesh, Louisville got that bag up here, man. But I'll be back to y'all in a minute. Alright, y'all, man. I know it's dark, man. I guess I could throw the light on. Anyway, man, just coming back to y'all, signing out on the video. Y'all have a good afternoon, good night. See y'all tomorrow when I get unloaded. Peace.